When people enter the Indian Police Service, the IPS, they are starry-eyed and they have Singham-like idealism in mind. But as days roll by and they become part of the system, their idealism waxes and wanes. And the first sign of this is when the officer begins to think in terms of what his political boss wants rather than what the law demands.
Yoga International Trust certifies that this video is protected under Article 19 of the Constitution of India. Further certified that this video is intended to safeguard citizens of India against bribery, nepotism, influence peddling by political parties and government agencies.
Begins to think in terms of what his political boss wants rather than what the law demands.
Hello, Mother Rupa D. Moudgil, IPS officer. What you have said is correct. But Indian politics is so dirty and filthy that it doesn't respect the Constitution of India at all. It is just like children who shit anywhere in the house. This Modi is not imperfect or perfect gentleman to cover IPS officers, because all systems are what I'm telling you, all systems are dependent on IPS officers. He's crow catching IPS officers and giving them huge incentives, perks and lucrative posts, to make them either sit silent or sit active behind him. Pachari Yoga International Trust certified that this video is intended to uphold yoga towards global peace and unity, irrespective of gender, religion, caste and creed. Further certified that this video endeavors to promote value, health, happiness, reason and transparency in public life.
Deep-rooted menace of VIP culture. The VIPs, particularly the politicians, are given special treatment of various kinds, one such being policemen given as gunmen to politicians. Now, in most of the situations,
Rupa, IPS officer, I'll tell you one thing, that these gunmen are peeling orange in Madurai. In Madurai SP office, Superintendent office, they are well known for peeling orange and collecting bribe for the for the officer. I met one officer, that is ADSP, Gopal Swami. He is not even IPS officer. He is having one gunman who is peeling orange for him, keeping the walkie-talkie and the gun. He can't remove it. It will be in his belt. But he keeps the walkie-talkie on the floor, sits on the floor and peels orange for ADSP Gopal Swami. And this ADSP Gopal Swami is so much corrupt. that he is talking to me in my presence as if I am an illiterate goose. He is talking to me and asking inspectors of police, you bring that man for inquiry, you bring this fellow for inquiry. But nobody is bringing because they know that this fellow is taking 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees bribe. In my case, I told him that if you ask me bribe, I will give you 5,000 only. But if you catch my what you call the accused in my case is one sub-inspector Rajkumar and Malechami. My case grievance is referred to by IGP, Mr. Abhay Kumar Singh or some other officer, North Indian, to ADSP. The ADSP, I told him that he is a briber. I know him, I face. I told him I'll give you 5,000 rupees, I can't give more. But if you ask that fellow, my accused tenant, he will give you 50,000 rupees. So you better take him and give a verdict to him. I mean, give your answer to IGP. IGP is not going to come. He's a honest man, he is sitting somewhere. He is sitting not somewhere, he is sitting about 2 kilometers away from the SP office. Tell ma, very good ma, I'm with you.
Most of the cases, even when there is no real threat, even when there is no specific threat, gunmen are given as status symbols. And the more the gunmen, the higher the status it is perceived.